Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your affiliate marketing tracking with Awin, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your affiliate marketing tracking with Awin, log into your Awin account. Navigate to the reports section on the main dashboard. Identify the tracking metrics you need to restore. Check if there are any discrepancies or issues with your links. Review the commission structure associated with your campaigns. Access the Links tab to find your affiliate tracking links. Verify that the correct tracking parameters are included in your URLs. Update any broken or outdated links you find. If necessary, regenerate tracking links for your specific campaigns. Go to the Advertiser section to confirm the performance of your partners. Communicate with Awin support if you encounter any technical challenges. Ensure that your website has the correct tracking pixel implemented. Install or re-enable the Awin tracking code on your site. Test the tracking code to make sure it is firing correctly. Use test transactions to verify that tracking is functioning as intended. Monitor your reports for updated tracking performance metrics. Regularly check for updates from Awin regarding tracking changes. Stay informed about any new tools or features launched by Awin. This proactive approach will help ensure your affiliate marketing tracking remains accurate and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.